Alito Chimachukma, this is Chief Steve coming at y'all with one more for the year 2023 going into the year 2024. Just wanted to give you guys a quick word of encouragement, as I know we have all enjoyed this harvest season here, which is also known as the season of reinvention. I know we've enjoyed having our family around, and we've possibly faced some challenges when sharing our true story, everything that we've learned throughout this year, especially if you've been rocking with me and, others who've been sharing this truth. It's been a lot of information that's been passed around, even, with people that you would have never known it would come from. It's been a lot of information that's been brought to light, a lot of truth that's been put into light. And I know when we all get together, we like to come together and share our experiences, especially if we haven't seen each other in a while. And I know that could have possibly been facing some challenges when sharing the true story. But even in that, I urge you to stand 10 toes down and continue to keep your head up. Because this journey to healing and true self-awareness must be walked alone or with like-minded people. And sometimes that walk may not include our family. As much as we want to be on the same frequency, oftentimes we're not, either due to trauma within the family that has not been addressed, and or it's just not of any importance to them. But although we may not understand how anyone can refuse to acknowledge the irrefutable evidence being presented in plain sight, we still must make it a habit to respect where they are and not debate with them or try to overly explain it to people who are clearly ignorant of their own existence. And when I say ignorant, I don't mean it as an insult. Look up what ignorance truly is. It's a lacking of knowledge. And those who lack that knowledge, sometimes when they're stuck in the ways that they've been taught, it's hard for them to get out of that. You know what I'm saying? So you still have to keep on pressing and don't let that change your energy about how you feel about yourself and about how you feel about that person. Because even in all that, you still got to cherish and acknowledge and see them for who they are. They're still our family. They still our Niji. Whether they want to acknowledge it or not. I mean, it is what it is. They part of the code. And some folks are going to awaken to this knowledge in their own time, and some may never. But even then, even with that, if you have a good relationship with that person, don't let that be the defining reason to stop messing with them. Stop interacting and engaging. I encourage you to continue to keep the family ties strong, but know that this journey is not for everyone. And know that, hey, some people are going to have to get left on the wayside. But even with all that, we still have to stay true to who we are. And like I said, there will be more like-minded people that's out there that will embrace you, as I have. So once again, this is Chief Steve signing off for 2023. I encourage you all to keep your head up, stay strong, remember who you are, be proud of who you are, and expect more in 2024. Till then, Yakoki Tatakista. We'll see you on the other side.